What's going on, guys? Bitcoin GTR checking in. I know it's been a while. I haven't uploaded, been busy. Crypto's been going up and down. But I wanted to check back in and give you guys a little update on the Mustang build. This is the 1600 horsepower streetcar build that literally has no budget and is completely custom by CRJC, which is Cameron Johnson Race Cars. The guy's a badass. We are pulling up to the shop right now. I will check back in here in a bit and show you guys what's going on. Check it out. Oh yeah, let's check this shit out. Woo! All right, okay. All right, it's looks good, man. Fuck yeah. All right, look at this, guys. You see these pie cuts here on these welds? The way the exhaust comes up over the rear end. Basically pieces to do. We have the gas tank to do, the tubs.
Probably take a day and a half, 2 days. The rest of the carbon's not as bad as the tubs. The tubs are gonna be the biggest pain.
Yeah, you're just gonna have to. Yeah, the tubs are gonna be the biggest pain.
Cutting that because we gotta cut that interior piece right there to fit the tub.
Right.
At least really close.
Right.
So that's kind of like a.
It's gonna be custom one-off.
But we can't do the floors up here yet until fuel cell's in, obviously, because the floor got a clear fuel cell. The floors have to come back out of the front also, so you can get the fuel cell out because it won't go in from the bottom. So
this will drop down. You don't paint this all black. That sounds like it's gonna take a little bit of time too.
So the next big thing, do you guys have the dash? Because we make the dash panel like Justin has. Do I have the dash? Basically, do you want to do like Justin, the screen? Yeah, Justin has his screen in the dash. Do you want to do that, or do you want to put the screen, like put all your stock gauges back in, and then put the screen like on a column? I want to kind of put the screen on a column if possible. All right, guys, checking in here at Cameron Johnson Race Cars. We're looking at the no budget build for real. We've got a lot of hours and time into this build, but it's definitely going to be worth it. Cameron and his crew doing all these crazy ass welds. Wait till you guys see this exhaust. It's gonna be awesome. Look at this shit, guys. Woo! See these cuts? Wow, that's sick, man. All the structure you added back here. It looks better from down here. Honestly, you can definitely see all the fabrication that went into this build so far. We're not even done yet. Got the Racecraft 9-inch rear end. I think that was about 10 grand. Look at this fucking exhaust, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments how much power you guys think it'll put down in the dyno. It's definitely gonna be a pretty sweet build when it's done. See how Cameron welded these mufflers right into the exhaust. And this is a NASCAR spec exhaust. They use the oval design for ground clearance savings and whatnot, and I don't know, performance, of course. Pretty excited about this build, guys. Let me know what you guys think.